respected President, Secretary, respected of committee members, audience, brothers, my teacher and mothers or sisters. My name is Muhammad Tamimuddin. My madrasa name is Musaddadiya Pir Abu Bakr Siddiqiya Hifzul Qur'aniya Madrasa. I read in class 6 and Department of Hifz. Now I will talk about the topic Allah and the Creator. Surah As-Saffat, ayat number 96, Allah says, Allahu khalaqakum wa ma ta'amalun. When Allah has created you and what you mean Allah, you our Creator, He has created us, He has made the earth and the sky, He has made things on the earth. He has made the animals and planets, He has the mountains and oceans. He has decorated the sky with the sun, the moon and the stars. He has decorated with planets and flowers. Allah is very powerful. When He wants to give of things, He only says, Kun fayakun, and it is. So everything is so, but it belongs to Him. You also belong to Him. Allah says, Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Allah is one and only. He has no family like us. He has no father or no mother. He has no son or no daughter. He sees everyone and everything. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
নারে তাকবীর, নারে তাকবীর।
পারবো না কেউ চিরকাল এই মাদ্রাসাতে থাকতে, পারবো কি কেউ কোনোদিন এই মাদ্রাসাকে ভুলতে? শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকার কাছে মোদের এটাই বড় কামনা, শিক্ষা অনুযায়ী জীবন গড়তে পারি, এটাই মোদের বাসনা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।